Top of the morning to you. Hey, it's Ervie with the Outdoor Gladiators, and today is my first day going out turkey hunting, and it's April 22nd, 2021. Got the truck loaded. I'm heading to pick up my boy Eric from Everything with Eric. I know you've seen him going hunting with me quite a bit. This is a tradition we've done for years. He's been my friend for a long time, and we always get out and try to do some turkey hunting. So today we're going out to the farm. I'm going to pick him up. We're going to see if we can get on some birds. Hopefully they're gobbling, and hopefully they respond. We'll see you out there. So just a quick update. We haven't been here for 30 minutes, maybe.
Hunting for 15 minutes.
Yeah, and we got, sounds like 2 birds out front to the south of us. They're a decent ways away, and then we got one over here to the west that he sounds like he's back in there. But it is cold. Honestly, I think my car read
27.
27.
Yeah.
27 degrees, so they might not be overly fired up this morning, but they are gobbling. Just hoping that they fly down in here to this field. And if that's the case, we'll bring you the action. If not, we're getting up out of here. We got plenty of property over here to stay mobile, so we'll get after some bird today. Promise you that. So that's it. That's all I gotta say. Bye bye.
See him? Yeah. Big. That's a paintbrush, boy. Yeah. There's two of them, yeah. 2 big old ones. Yeah. I gotta turn this GoPro on. Get the better stay low. Make a bunch of noise. They're already working their way over here. More than they are calls. You think so? No, they're responding to you. I wasn't recording.
Alright guys, so good news is we saw some turkeys. Bad news is they're walking out of our life right now. So they came out in the field about 8:05. It is just after 9 now, so they've been in the field strutting for an hour. At one point, maybe they were 70 to 100 yards out in front of us. A few gobbles, 3 confirmed toms, and probably about 7 hens.
Maybe a Jake too.
Maybe a Jake, yeah. But either way, they are walking the wrong way. So at this point, they're not responding to calls. They're not coming into decoys. I just want them to get their little Jurassic Park looking butt over here, or get out of here so we can go drive the section and see if we can spot and stalk some other birds. The struggle is real, but we'll get something. Stick with us. Everybody, it's the afternoon hunt, and I'm doing a solo mission. This morning we saw a good group of toms, 2 for sure, paintbrushes just hanging, and then 1 that was decent. I don't know if I'd shoot it the first day, but it was decent. About 7 hens with them. We drove this section, saw 1 real nice tom with the group about 7 to 8 hens, about 5 jakes, and then drove the section later this afternoon, and I think they were the same jakes. There's about 5 jakes and 1 tom and a few hens split up here and there throughout the rest of the field. So I am out here tonight where I hunted this morning. I just transitioned, moved to the other side of this field here to where we saw them come out and go back in. So this is typically a pretty good area, and we shall see and determine that by the hunt tonight. So please stick with me.
She's done. And that's how you do it. Right there. First day. Second sit. Bird down.
Hey, thanks for tuning in and watching this exciting hunt today. If I did not get the kill shot on camera, I apologize. It was a little difficult self-filming, and they came in quick. Not to mention I have a very cheap tripod that did not want to swivel. So again, hey guys, thanks for watching. Like always, follow us along on our adventures, subscribe to the channel, comment, hit that bell notification. We got a lot of guys still on the team that either have not gotten out or have not got a bird yet, but I promise you there will be more turkeys hitting the ground like this big old boy right here. This thing has a paintbrush on it for a beard. Not long, but super thick. It's weird though, it only has one spur, but one day of hunting, first day out, and get a bird like this, I'm ecstatic. So thanks again, and we'll see you around on the next adventure.